The Dow and Nasdaq correlation reversed again today. Yesterday was another reversal. Last week we had a pretty consistent trend, minus 1 or 2 days. Either the Dow outperforms and the Nasdaq underperforms, or vice versa. Today we saw the Dow outperforming and the Nasdaq pretty severely underperforming. You know, performance is relative, but the Nasdaq was down and the Dow was up. Why is this? Not a lot of news came out today, it seemed to me. But people are just rotating their capital. You know, we can see some very interesting price moves. You know, I've kind of called out Amazon and Tesla specifically in the past couple of videos. Tesla kind of did the complete opposite of what it did yesterday. You know, yesterday opened the day flat, kind of just did whatever. Then around middle of the day, around 1 or 2 o'clock, shot up, just like a line shot up. And it did the same thing today in the negative direction, representative of the Nasdaq and the Dow's reversal and flip. So I don't really like the current conditions. I don't like the only things moving the market, like just simply the reallocation of capital, like this back and forth V kind of thing. Like, no, like in the Nasdaq, in your pocket, in the Dow, in your pocket, in the Nasdaq. Like, I don't like that. That feels a little too greedy to me, market movements. Now, that said, we're going to get new stimulus. Like, there are reasons for the market to go up, and there are reasons for the market to go down. You know, uncertain economic conditions, Capital One bank just missed expectations. That's exposure to a lot of credit cards, which we thought were doing okay with a lot of people paying down their debt. So, you know, I don't know which direction the market is going to go right now. Sometimes I feel like I have a good understanding. You know, if you have been watching my videos since the beginning, there were long periods of time where I felt that the market was going to move one way or the other. Right now, I'm positioned heavily in cash. I have good stocks that I like, and I'm just being very micro right now, seeing how things develop and ready to make massive decisions based on a couple things that might happen. So if the market pulls back, you know, we'll be coming back in buying. If the market overextends, we're going to sell in the areas that overextends. But right now, I'm leaning more towards the side of what has seen the gains is going to start cooling off. Very simply, just cooling off. And I'm preparing for that. And that's why I've started selling a lot of my hotter names and going into the cooler areas of the market that may not give me as good of an immediate return, but feel like safer places to park the capital right now. They just do. Better places to park the capital. So until tomorrow, we'll see what happens overnight, what happens into tomorrow. Hopefully no rising U.S.-China tensions, although I think that's going to be a recurring theme, and maybe we'll do a deeper video on that. So until next time, peace.